Monday.
That's good, mashallah. Good.
Yes.
So, switch on the camera, please, so that we can continue the class.
1 second.
Okay. फातिमा को तुमको कैमरा इज ऑन. हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम. इज ब्लर. बैकग्राउंड इज ब्लर. बैकग्राउंड ब्लर है. करो. हाँ. हाँ. कितना टाइम लग रहा है फॉर स्विचिंग ऑन द कैमरा? शुड इट टेक सो लॉन्ग?
Hello, sir. I'm back. No, I was in a call with my mother. She's not in the home.
ओके. स्विच ऑन द कैमरा प्लीज.
Okay. Okay.
डन. हैव यू
Yes,
स्विच
it's
ऑन द
open.
कैमरा? ओके. Okay, just मैं check कर लेता हूँ एक second. I'm just having a look at the file which from which I have to teach you today. Ha 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 ha. कहाँ open है? It's there is a cover over the camera. Remove
It's
that.
not open. Okay.
You have put a cover over the camera. It's visible here.
Okay.
ठीक है, good. So now we are going to do the topic of atomic model. Okay.
That
हाँ बोलो. Yes.
your screen.
Screen is not visible. Okay.
No.
अच्छा एक second. There was a topic called electronic configuration. Let me open that topic first because that is what we could not do previously. Iron, term 3. साइंस पढ़ाने के लिए कहा गया आपको. ओके, सो आई विल बी टीचिंग यू साइंस टुडे.
Okay.
क्या? क्या? अरे क्या भाई? हमको नहीं पता. नहीं ध्यान दिए. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वाला कहाँ चला गया फाइल? जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट प्लीज.
Okay.
Haji, so now what is this? Why they have mentioned here? They have mentioned here that transition to further study chemistry resource booklet. What is the meaning of this?
Like if you want to take chemistry like that, because
So only then you have to study this. Otherwise, not.
no, no, no. If you want, then you're basically that.
So today, let us just revise what we have done so far. Then I am going to teach you. I am going to teach you about electronic configuration. Okay, we have studied that atom is made up of three things. Can you name them? What are the three things atom is made up of?
So like nucleus like that.
Nucleus? No, not the nucleus. I am asking you about subatomic particles. What are the three subatomic particles it is made up of?
Neutron like that.
Oh, yes, proton, neutron, and electron. Like
Proton,
that, nahi.
neutron, and
There are
electron. Yes.
three. Yes. So proton and neutron live in the nucleus in a very small area at the center, and electron revolves around the nucleus in circular paths known as orbits. These paths are known as orbits. Is this clear?
Yes.
Proton and neutron have got mass of almost 1 unit, and electron has almost negligible mass. It has got almost no mass. Now I'm going to teach you about electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means suppose anything has got 6 electron or 10 electron. So where those electrons are going to live, and how will all the six move in a different path, or some of them will move in one path, some of them in the second path. How they are going to be arranged is known as electronic configuration. Is it clear to you what I said?
Sir.
Yes.
Okay, like could you repeat like the last this
हाँ
line?
बिल्कुल. I told you that suppose something has got 6 electron, okay? So in
Okay.
an atom, all six will be moving in the same path. Like all six will be in this path, one, two, three, four, five, six.
Yes,
Or
yes.
will they be moving in two different paths, three in the first, three in the second? Or like what? How the arrangement is going to be? How the arrangement of these
Like that on the
electrons are going to
second.
be? No, it's not like that. It's neither like first nor like the second. We will learn how they are going to be arranged. Okay. So all I am going to use the rules that have been written here in your notes.
Okay.
So first rule is that maximum number of electrons in first orbit. First orbit means orbit nearest to the nucleus is equal to 2. Okay,
Yes.
ठीक है. And second orbit is going to have 8 electrons. 8 electrons. Yeah, or let me just write them in a similar way. First orbit is going to have 2 electrons, maximum 2. It cannot hold more than 2. Okay. Second orbit is going to hold 8 electrons. Third orbit also is going to hold 8 electrons. Although in higher chemistry you will study that third orbit can hold 18 electrons. But for now, what they have written in your textbook, that is sufficient. We will assume it to be 8 electrons, okay? And other electrons will go to fourth orbit. If there are more electrons, then they will go to fourth orbit. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
How many electrons in the first orbit? Two, not more than two. Can it have one? Yes, it can have one, it
Wait,
can
so in
have
the
two.
first orbit is two.
Maximum number of electron in first orbit is two, okay?
Okay.
It cannot have more than two. Maximum number of electron in second orbit is 8. It cannot have more than 8. It can have 3, it can have 4, it can have 5, it can have 6 electron. It can have 7, it can have 8, but there cannot be 9 electron in second orbit. Is this clear?
Sir,
Hello?
I didn't. What did you say for the last one?
पहले तुम कैमरा ठीक करो बेटा. Your head is visible. I want to see your eyes and entire body like mine is visible. Fix the camera.
Then I'll sit up like this.
हाँ. So, और अच्छे से करो. See my entire my shoulders are visible. Half my body is visible. मैं भी ऐसे कर देता हूँ फिर. My head will be visible. So what's the benefit of that? So it is a laptop, so put it in a proper place so that at least you are visible to me. Neck should be visible. Shoulders, at least up to shoulders. Head and shoulders should be visible. Okay.
Okay. I think it's fixed now.
Sure. Take. No, it's not fixed. Still your neck, shoulders are not visible. Cannot you see how much you are visible to me? Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Take. I told you, I am teaching you that how many electrons can be there maximum? How many electrons can be there in the first orbit? Two.
Two.
Maximum how many electrons can be there in the second
Eight.
orbit?
Eight.
In the third orbit?
Also eight.
Fourth orbit. If there are more, they will go to
Wait.
fourth orbit. Okay.
What's that say? More than?
More, no, I have just written more electrons. If there are more electrons, then they will go to fourth orbit. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the first set of point. The second set of point after this is that unless inner orbit gets completely full, electrons won't go to outer orbit. There are two rules. These are set of rule number one, and now I will write rule number two. Rule number two tells us that unless inner orbit is completely filled, unless
Orbit is
inner
completely filled.
orbit is completely filled, मैं सबका मतलब समझाऊंगा तोड़ तोड़ के घबराओ नहीं. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वांट मूव टू आउटर ऑर्बिट. सो एक काम करो, copy the 2 points in the notebook, then I will teach you what's the meaning of all this practically.
Okay.
So, بشر لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري. इस बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ में आ जाए. अल्लाह इसका शुक्र. ला इलाहा इल्ला अंत सुब्हानक.
Okay, sir.
यस आयन जी लिख लिया बेटा.
No. Oh, wait.
रिटर्न.
I'm writing rule two.
हाँ ठीक, राइट इट डाउन.
I wrote rule one.
हाँ ठीक, राइट रूल टू.
Okay. Now, sir.
रिटर्न. ओके.
I said yes.
Now rule number three. मतलब it's not rule number three. चलो रूल नंबर 3 ही कह देते हैं इसको. The first orbit will be known as orbit number k. The second orbit is known as L. Name of third orbit is M. Name of fourth orbit is N. So what is the meaning of this? Suppose this is my nucleus and this is my first orbit. So I will call it as K, the first one. Then another orbit I will call it as L. Are you getting my point? Then if there is third orbit, it will be named as M. This is how we
Yeah.
name them. K is the name of first orbit, L is second, M is third, and if there is fourth, we will call it as N. Is this clear? So copy this in the notebook.
Yes.
Then we will jump to the practical application of this.
Okay.
अरे बाप रे, ये देखो तो यहाँ क्या रेड रेड लगाई हुई है. हम्म?
Wait, shall I draw that?
हाँ मतलब हाँ, you can draw it roughly and write the names K, L and M so that you get to know what is the meaning of that. Okay.
Okay.
Drawn.
KLMN. Sir.
Yes. Ayan, बोलो.
Okay, now.
Now, now the next question is how many electrons does atom have? So it is equal to atomic number, which is given in the periodic table. Okay. So like
Okay.
atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So how many electrons will hydrogen have? 1 electron. Okay.
One. Yes.
Now I will write its electronic configuration. So I will draw hydrogen atom. First the nucleus, then hydrogen has got only 1 electron. So where will it live? In the first orbit or second orbit or third orbit? Where will the electron go? Or it is free to choose whatever orbit it is.
It will go in the in one.
First orbit, no, the first orbit nearest to the nucleus, K orbit, okay?
Yes, the first one I meant.
Yes. So it's not N, it's K. So
Yes.
for this is what I have drawn the electronic configuration of hydrogen. Hydrogen atom has got 1 electron which is in first orbit. Next is helium. देखते जाओ समझ जाओगे. Give me a couple of minutes to make you understand the thing. Now helium which has got 2 electrons because atomic number of helium is 2, okay? The
Yes.
question is where will it go? In the first orbit, in the second orbit, or one in the first, one in the second? How do you think? It has got 2 electrons, so both of them will be in first orbit, both in the second orbit, or one in the first, one in the second. What do you think?
Uh, I think in all of them is one.
Matlab there will be 2 orbits, one electron in first orbit, one another electron in second orbit. This is what you mean to say?
Yes.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा बेटा. We studied that first shell can hold how many? 2, isn't it? First orbit can hold how many? 2. And then rule number 2 told you that unless first orbit is full, electron won't go to second orbit. So unless first orbit is completely full, there will be no electron in L. So 1 and 1 is not possible because K has only got 1. K is not full. So no electron cannot move to L. So how it will be? There will be 2 electron and both of them will be in the first orbit itself. Is this clear? Why 2 electron in the first orbit?
Yes.
Because there are 2. First orbit can hold 2. Number 1 rule. Number 2 rule. First should be full. Then only we can put electron in second. Okay. So draw for hydrogen. Acha, let me draw for lithium. Then I will ask you to draw them all. Lithium has got three electron.
Okay.
Okay. So lithium has got three electrons. So now I am drawing first orbit of lithium, and I'm also drawing a second orbit. So now think properly and answer. Can all three electrons be there in the first orbit or not? All the three electrons, can they be in the first
Y-
orbit?
Yes.
Acha, but how many maximum electron can first orbit hold?
Maximum. I think maximum can hold.
It's written there at the top in the first point. Rule number one, first point.
It can hold one only.
नहीं 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 क्या बात कह रहे हो? Have a look at this. First
Oh,
orbit, how
oh,
many
oh.
electrons?
Wait. In the first orbit, it can only hold two. Yes. But
Two.
so in that picture, so why you like put like three?
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तुमसे. I am asking you. Is
Oh,
it correct or not? So this is not correct.
it's
This is not
wrong.
possible. Okay. First cannot hold. So now we have filled the first orbit. Now where will the third electron go? It will go to the second orbit. Okay. So now I am
Yes.
drawing it in the second orbit. Is it clear?
Yes.
Achha, is it possible that first is holding one and second is holding two? Is it possible? Is it also correct or incorrect?
I think it's possible.
No, it's not possible. Why? Because of rule number two. Rule number two tells you that unless first is full, there will be no electron in second. So if you draw it like the second one, first is not full. First full कब होता है? When it has got two, isn't it? But it
Yes.
has got only one. So first is not full. So electron cannot move to second. So unless there are two in the first, there will be no electron in the second. So the second diagram which I have drawn is incorrect. The first one is correct. So now
So
draw
it
these
can't be
three.
three.
Uh, it can be three, matlab where?
Like can't be like the third is. It can't be like the what's it? The lithium type.
Lithium type तो lithium ही तो मैंने draw किया था ना अभी. In lithium there
Yes,
are two
but that look.
electrons in
This is lithium in the third one. Yes.
third one is lithium, yes. Third one is lithium. It has got three electrons, two in the first orbit, third one in the second orbit. Are you clear with this?
Yes. Yes.
Copy the three in the notebook. Then I will draw beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. At the end of the class, you will be having a good idea about this topic, inshallah.
Okay. Sir, wait. Give me
Yes.
1 second. I'll be back.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now.
Now switch on the camera first.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Have you drawn the three electronic configurations?
Yes, yes.
Now the fourth one is beryllium, okay? Beryllium Be.
Beryllium.
Yeah, so for this I will draw two orbits.
Okay.
Can you tell me how many electrons will be there in the first orbit? There are four in total. So how many will be there in the first orbit?
In the first one, I think there is two.
Two. Maximum capacity for first one is two. So let us fill it first. So two in the first. How many left now?
Now there's two. So two in the outer layer.
Just two in the outer one. Two and two four. This is the electronic configuration of beryllium. इसको ऐसे भी लिखते हैं K and L, right? You will write K and L, and below K you will write two. Two in the K. Below L you will write two. So two plus two four. This is also one of the ways to write electronic configuration. Okay.
Yes.
K2 and L2. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now I will draw for the next one boron B. So atomic number is 5. So number of electrons will be 5. Number of electron equal to atomic number. I am drawing two orbits. Can you tell me how many electrons in the first orbit?
Wait, how many does it have?
It has 5 in total. Atomic number is 5.
So two inside it.
Two in the first orbit, not inside. Tell me the first, name it like first orbit, second orbit. Two in the
Okay, in
first,
the
and how many
second.
left now?
So in the second orbit, three.
Three in the second orbit. आप बिल्कुल सही बोले. माशाल्लाह, good. So two and three, five. You can also
Okay.
write it like this. K is equal to 2 and L is equal to 3. So 2 in the first, 3 in the second. Okay.
Okay.
Copy these two in the notebook, then we will draw the next one.
Okay. Okay.
Drawn, Aayan. Have you drawn from beryllium and
Ye-
boron?
yes.
Both of them.
Yes, I've written K to K3.
No, no. Have you drawn for beryllium and boron the
Yes, yes,
circular
yes.
orbits?
Also
Okay,
that I
take,
wrote and drew it.
take. Now, the sixth one I am leaving for you. Sixth is carbon. I am drawing the seventh one. Seventh is nitrogen. Okay, N nitrogen.
Carbon, how much has
So atomic number जितना होगा उतना ही electron होगा. So it has got 7 electrons. Okay. So out
carbon
of those seven,
dioxide's atomic
how many of
number?
them will be in the first orbit? How many in the first orbit? Out of seven, how many in the first orbit? Two, isn't it?
Yes.
How many left? Five. Five in the second. Second में 8 तक आ सकता है. It can have 8. It can have
Yes.
up to 8. मतलब as I taught you that it can have less than 8, but not more than 8. So you can see in all these cases, the second orbit is having less than 8. So in second orbit, less than 8 is possible. 8 is possible. More than 8 is not possible. And for if I have to write it in K, L and M format, then I will write K is equal to 2 and L is equal to 5 for the nitrogen. Now you have to draw for carbon first. Draw for carbon and then you will copy for nitrogen. Then I will give you another one to draw.
Okay.
हाँ बेटा. ऊपर आएंगी तो आप तबाही मचा देंगी। सभी इसका नाक साफ कीजिए तो। अम्मा पर जाइए, दवा खिला दीजिए इसको।
Hello, sir.
Drawn, have you drawn for carbon?
Yes, now do I do?
If you have drawn for carbon, then send it to me. I will verify it. Then you will draw. Then you will copy for nitrogen. Then I will give you a question to practice.
Okay. Wait, sir, one second. My mom's calling.
Okay. Okay, but Ayan, have you sent it to me? I'm waiting on my mobile for the solution.
Hello, sir.
Ji bhai, have you drawn for carbon? Send it to me.
Okay. Sending.
Okay, say switch on the camera also.
Wait one second. Let me send first.
हाँ ठीक है, send it first.
So did you get it?
Where are you sending? On WhatsApp or
What's
Telegram?
up? What's up?
WhatsApp is open before me. Before me, I have yet not received it.
Okay. Then wait, I think it's loading. Sir, check.
Okay, I'm checking it. Two here and three, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Two in the first, four in the second. That's right. Also write
Okay,
in
sir.
KLM format. Also write K is equal to how much and L is equal to how much. Write it down. K में कितना है, L में कितना है. Write it down. How many did you draw in K? Two, isn't it? And in L,
Yes,
four.
I drew two.
Write it down. K2 and L4. Write it down. मैं तो देख लिया. You have drawn it, but you have not written it.
Oh, we had to write it also. So
Write it also.
no, I thought I had to only send the picture.
ठीक है. Write it down and then you will draw for oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oxygen's atomic number is 8. Yes. Draw it for oxygen.
Atomic number is 8.
Yes.
Check it. Um,
Oxygen ion. Drawn for oxygen.
sir, send it, sir. Sir.
हाँ बोल बेटा.
Okay.
Drawn. Yes. Have you drawn it
Did
for
I send
oxygen?
it?
हाँ.
And
Send
I
it to
think
me.
this is how
Yes.
oxygen looked like. So should I send it?
बिल्कुल. Send it to me. Send it to me and switch on the camera.
Okay,
And let
okay.
me switch on the mobile. Switch on the mobile. Let me switch on the mobile to see. Have you sent it to me? No. I'm waiting.
2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sending. It's getting sent. So I got sent.
Not received yet. Two in the first, one, two, three, six in the second. ठीक है. Also write K is equal to 2, L is equal to 6. Write it down, okay? Now the ninth one is fluorine. Fluorine. Atomic number 9 is fluorine. Draw for fluorine. In fact, let me draw for fluorine. In fact, let us just write it. Fluorine. Can you tell me how many will be there in fluorine? How many will be there for fluorine in the first orbit? Yes, sir. Hello. 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 Hello, sir. Can you hear me? You are inaudible now.
I just ran back.
For oxygen, write K is equal to 2 and L is equal to 6.
K is equal to 2, L
L
is
is equal
equal
to
to 4.
6, not 4. It's 8.
Oh,
2 plus 6 is 8. Yes. Now for fluorine, do not draw it. Just tell me how many will be there in the first orbit and how many electrons in the second orbit. Atomic number is 9 for fluorine.
so wait, how much? What's the atomic number?
How many electrons in the first orbit and how many electrons in the second orbit for fluorine? Atomic number is 9. 9, 9, 9.
9. Okay. So 2 inside,
2 in the K orbit, yes. Next.
and then in the rest there is
Rest nahi, L bolo. In L there will be
in the rest I meant in the rest in the L.
how many in L?
So 1 second. Sir, there's
Yes.
in so like what you call 7.
7 in the L orbit, correct. So for fluorine, just write K2 and L7, okay? Now
Okay.
next, फ्लोरीन के बाद फ्लोरीन के बाद होता है नियॉन. So you will also write for neon. You will only write how many electrons in K and how many electrons in L. You will just write it down. No need to draw anything. For fluorine, do not draw. Just write it down. And for neon, also write it down. And once you have written for neon, tell me the answer. And your camera is still switched off. In the meanwhile,
Okay,
switch on the
okay.
camera too.
Wait, so which one now? For which one?
Fluorine and fluorine का लिख लिए? It's there on the screen.
Yeah, for fluorine.
Have you written for fluorine?
Yes.
K2L7. Write for neon. Have you written for neon?
No,
Camera is still switched off. Your camera is still off.
it's still switched off.
because we have not switched it on.
No, it's on. It's getting on. Okay. So for neon, there's two inside.
Inside inside कुछ नहीं होता है.
K. Okay.
Name the orbitals. In K, how many in K? 2.
Two.
How many in L?
Wait. So neon, how many there is again?
10.
So yes. So for that, there is what's it called? Nine. Yes.
9. 2 plus 9 is 10, isn't it?
Yes.
2 plus 9 तो आज तक 11 हो रहा था. कब से 10 हो गया?
Wait. Wait. No. 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 It's eight. It's eight.
Did your eyes, you are visible only up to your eyes. Fix करो. Fix the camera angle.
No, I was just like writing. That's why.
हाँ ठीक है, write it down. Okay, good. 10. Neon, write it down. 2 and 8.
Yes.
Done. Okay. Now we are going to do it for sodium. So. Atomic number for sodium is 11. Okay.
Okay.
So now can you tell me the electronic configuration? How many in K? And फिर आगे क्या? फिर आगे क्या? You do it yourself. And put a star over sodium. First put a star over this question. And then write the electronic configuration of sodium. Yes, I am sodium. Tell me the configuration.
Uh. So in K there's two.
In K there is 2. Good.
So
K there is 2. So
it's in the
ये कौन सी बात हुई? तो बड़ी अजीब सी बात हो गई.
there's
This
like
is a simple question. You
10.
will say
Yes.
K, where is 10? In which orbit?
In L.
In L there is 10. And 10 plus 2 is 11, isn't it?
No. 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 Oh, there's nine.
9. Okay, so that's why I had asked to put a star over this question, because in L there is not 9. L can never hold 9.
Uh, that means like there's what's it called? Like another layer. Yes.
Yes, 8 electrons in L orbit,
Yes.
and then M is going to have the remaining one, which is 1. Okay,
K.
the L and M you cannot put more than 8. Okay, although in higher chemistry you will learn that M can have more than 8, but not now. For now, L and M both will have not more than 8. Okay, is this clear? Write it down for sodium.
Okay.
Then we will write for magnesium. Magnesium's atomic number is 12. You will write down the configuration of magnesium after writing for sodium. Yes, bro. Magnesium.
So two in K.
2 in K.
Yes. So two in K, eight in L,
8 in L. 8 in L.
and then what's it called again? Two in M.
M in 2. Correct. So here onwards, we will continue in the next class, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Magnesium onwards, we will have to write up to atomic number 20.
Which is
Calcium is 20. So we will write up to
okay.
20 and we will also do math question in the next class, inshallah.
Okay.
I hope it's clear to you so far.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.